What meals should we eat before and after working out? Eating the correct foods before and after you go to the gym is essential for reaching your fitness objectives. What you eat before and after your workout can have a huge impact on your outcomes, whether you're aiming to grow muscle, lose weight, or enhance your overall fitness. In this post, we'll go over the meals you should eat before and after working out, why they're important, and how to prepare them in a pleasant and healthy way. Foods to eat before working out. Oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Oatmeal is an excellent pre-exercise breakfast since it contains complex carbs that provide continuous energy throughout your workout. The fruits and nuts provide additional nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, while the fiber in the oats keeps you full and content. Cook a dish of rolled oats with water or milk, then add your favorite fruits and nuts, such as berries, bananas, almonds, or walnuts, to make this meal. Whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. This meal is high in protein and healthy fats, giving you the energy you need for your workout. The whole grain toast has carbohydrates that will keep you nourished, while the avocado contains healthy fats and the eggs contain protein. To make this dish, toast a slice of whole grain bread, cover it with mashed avocado, then top it with a poached or fried egg. Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. Greek yogurt is strong in protein and low in fat, making it a perfect pre-workout breakfast. Adding fruit and oats to your yogurt will provide you with the energy you need to get through your workout. Simply combine a cup of Greek yogurt, your favorite fruits, such as berries or bananas, and a handful of granola to make this meal. Granola is a sort of breakfast cereal made up of grains, nuts, seeds, dried fruits, sugar, honey, and occasionally even vegetables. To give it a beautiful aroma and flavor, it is frequently made at low temperatures with honey or sugar and oil. Granola can be consumed as a snack or as a morning cereal with milk, yogurt, or fruit juice. It is well known for its excellent nutritional value and is frequently seen as a healthy dietary option. Fruit, vegetable, and protein powder smoothie. Smoothies are an excellent method to get a lot of nutrients in one meal. Adding fruits and veggies to your smoothie will provide you with vitamins and minerals, but adding protein powder will help you grow muscle and recover from your workout faster. Blend your favorite fruits and veggies with a scoop of protein powder and some almond milk or water to make this meal. Brown rice with grilled chicken and vegetables. This meal is high in complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, making it an ideal pre-workout snack. Brown rice will provide long-lasting energy, while chicken will provide protein for muscle growth. To make this dish, cook brown rice according to package directions, grill some chicken, and sauté your favorite vegetables in olive oil. Foods to eat after working out. Grilled chicken or fish with sweet potatoes and vegetables. Following a workout, it is critical to consume a meal that will aid in recovery and repair. Grilled chicken or fish is a high-protein food that can help you build muscle and repair tissue damage. Sweet potatoes are high in carbohydrates, which help replace glycogen levels, while vegetables give vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Grill some chicken or fish, bake a sweet potato, and sauté your favorite vegetables in olive oil to make this dish. Salad with quinoa, beans, and vegetables. Quinoa is high in protein, fiber, and carbs, making it a fantastic post-workout meal. Adding beans and vegetables to your quinoa salad will boost your protein, fiber, and vitamin intake. To make this dish, cook some quinoa according to package directions, then add some beans and vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and dress it up. Smoothie with protein powder, fruits, and greens. Smoothies are also an excellent post-workout meal since they are easy to digest and can supply the nutrients you require to recuperate from your workout. Including protein powder, fruits, and greens in your smoothie will provide you with a well-balanced blend of protein, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Blend your favorite fruits and greens with a scoop of protein powder and some almond milk or water to make this meal. Salmon baked with quinoa and vegetables. Salmon is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which can aid reduce inflammation and promote muscle repair. Quinoa and veggies supplement the protein, fiber, and vitamins. To make this dish, bake a salmon fillet in the oven, cook quinoa according to package directions, and sauté your favorite vegetables in olive oil. Cottage cheese with fruit and nuts is high in protein and low in fat, making it an ideal post-workout snack. Including fruit and nuts in your cottage cheese will provide you with more nutrition, vitamins, and minerals. Simply combine a serving of cottage cheese with your favorite fruits, such as berries or peaches, and a handful of nuts, such as almonds or cashews, to make this meal. The meals that can be consumed before and after the gym might vary substantially in terms of price and affordability, based on various aspects such as where you reside, the availability of ingredients, and the type of meal you choose to eat. However, some meals may be more cheap than others in general. Meals like oatmeal with fruit and nuts and whole grain toast with avocado and eggs, for example, are quite inexpensive and accessible to the majority of people. These meals can be prepared using simple components that are generally available and can be found in most grocery stores. Meals such as grilled chicken or fish with sweet potato and vegetables and baked salmon with quinoa and veggies, on the other hand, may be more expensive and need more preparation time. Fresh ingredients, such as fish or vegetables, may be required for these meals, which may be more expensive than other options. Smoothies with protein powder, fruits, and greens can be reasonably priced if the protein powder is purchased in bulk and frozen fruits and vegetables are used. The cost of fresh vegetables or prepackaged smoothie mixes, on the other hand, may be higher. Cottage cheese with fruit and nuts can be one of the most cost-effective post-workout meals. Cottage cheese is frequently inexpensive and can be coupled with inexpensive fruits and nuts like bananas and peanuts. Finally, the affordability and expense of the meals you choose to consume before and after the gym will be determined by your own budget and the availability of ingredients in your location. When choosing meals, keep your budget in mind and choose selections that deliver the nutrition you require without breaking the bank. While it's critical to fuel your body with the correct foods before and after the gym, it's also critical to avoid certain foods that can impair your workout performance and recovery. Here are some things to avoid before and after going to the gym. Foods high in processed sugar. Foods high in processed sugar can create a surge in your blood sugar levels, leading to a crash and leaving you feeling lethargic during your workout. Sugary snacks, candies, and processed foods should be avoided before and after your workout because they might induce inflammation and slow your recovery. Drinking alcohol before or after working out might have a negative impact on your workout performance and recuperation. Alcohol is a diuretic, which causes dehydration and impairs your body's capacity to heal. It can also interfere with your coordination, balance, and cognitive function, making it difficult to perform properly throughout your workout. Fried and fatty foods can be difficult to digest and can leave you feeling sluggish during your workout. They can also create inflammation in the body, which can make recuperation more difficult. Before and after the gym, avoid fast food, fried foods, and high-fat meals. Caffeine. While caffeine can provide an energy boost, it can also promote dehydration and negatively impact your sleep quality, all of which can impede your recovery. Furthermore, excessive coffee consumption may cause jitters or anxiety in certain people, which might impair their workout ability. Smoking has a poor impact on lung function, which might impair your capacity to perform properly during exercise. It can also create inflammation and hinder your body's capacity to heal. Conclusion. Eating the correct foods before and after you go to the gym is essential for reaching your fitness objectives. Meals that provide prolonged energy, such as oatmeal with fruit and nuts, whole grain toast with avocado and eggs, Greek yogurt with fruit and granola, smoothies with fruits, vegetables, and protein powder, and brown rice with grilled chicken and veggies, should be prioritized before going to the gym. After the gym, eat meals that help you recover and repair, such as grilled chicken or fish with sweet potato and vegetables, quinoa salad with beans and vegetables, protein powder, fruits, and greens smoothies, baked salmon with quinoa and vegetables, and cottage cheese with fruit and nuts. Remember to stay hydrated before, during, and after your workout, and to pay attention to your body's cues to ensure you're getting the nutrients you require. You can improve your workout performance and reach your fitness objectives by fueling your body with the correct nutrients.
I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please subscribe to our channel so that we can make better videos for you.